Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 245 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. If you want to force restart this watch, you will need to press and hold the light button and keep holding it until the watch turns off. It takes about 5 to 10 seconds. So let's press and hold the light button, keep holding it. After the screen goes black, keep holding the button for a couple more seconds and then you can release it. And at this point the watch should be turned off. So if we press any buttons, nothing will happen. So after the watch turns off, wait for a couple of seconds and then you can turn it back on by pressing and holding the light button again. And once you see the logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting into a system. Like this. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.